Do not throw your old crochet hair away. You can reuse it again. Yes, I said so. I'm going to show you how to make this very functional headband wig using your old crochet hair. Or you can also use new crochet hair if you don't have old ones and you feel like this headband wig would be useful for you. Here, I wore the headband wig in this video to go grocery shopping, and it was a quick fix hair that worked for me and can also be useful to you. To make this headband wig, you will need your headband, your needle and thread, and of course your old crochet hair. You can also use new ones like I mentioned. The first thing to do is to hold your headband in place. If you don't have a mannequin, you can always improvise. You can use something else to make sure that you hold the mannequin in place, because that is the only way that you can attach the crochet hair to the headband. After securing the headband, you can start sewing the individual crochet hair just at the weft of the headband. I'm sewing on the weft because I want to use that as my reference point for sewing on a straight line, because you know the weft is just around the headband, so that way I know that I am sewing the crochet hair on a straight line around the headband. I'm just going to keep quiet now to allow you to watch the process and see how I am installing the crochet hair. You can also see that I am sewing the crochet hair just very close to one another to prevent spacing in between the crochet hair. At this stage, I have sewed the hair all around the headband but leaving space at the front for my face. You can also try doing your ear-to-ear measurements just like the way you measure your wig cap, and then you use that as a guide to help you know the amount of space to leave at the front. Okay, this is the back of the headband, and I went ahead to sew more hair to achieve like a fuller volume. Another important tip that I forgot to mention earlier is that you need to use a very firm headband that is your perfect size, because if you use a headband that is too like loose, it's not going to fit your head, if that makes sense. So you want to make sure that you use your perfect size, and then when you eventually wear the headband wig, it's going to stay fit on your hair. This is our final result, and I'm going to show you how to wear this headband wig. I'll give you one very useful tip for the back of the headband wig, okay? When you wear the headband wig, you want to make sure that the back of the headband, that is the back side, is raised to the very crown of your head, okay? This is to ensure that it covers your hair significantly, so that even when you tie your scarf or you wear your face cap on the headband, it's going to be able to cover like the full dimension of your head, okay? And like I mentioned earlier, this is just for a quick fix and is very functional. And I understand that not everyone might like this, which is okay. But if you think that this would work for you, then why not give it a try? That is all I have for you in this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, okay? Do not forget to like this video, share with your network, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, okay? Take care, my loves, and I'll see you in my next one.